Alright, so we're going to continue with our understanding of video design, and even though most of you don't bother watching this, some of you do, and so I'm doing it for you guys. And also if you're at home or you're traveling overseas, you can't say, oh mum or dad, can't do anything because it's back at school, because it's online, the internet is real. Alright, so let's get started. Now the first thing we need to know is that we need to combine everything we've learnt. So we've learnt about opacity, we've learnt about these green screens, we've learnt about changing the feel of videos with the power of editing. And so what we're going to do is we're going to combine that all into making an awesome video. So I've got my video here, Adobe Premiere open, and I just have to drag in my two scenes. Now, Mr. McAllister and I, we are very awesome actors, and we have done some acting for you guys. So here is one of the scenes. It's on yours. It's called Week 3 Drama or something, Western or something like that. No, that's the wrong one. Oh, we didn't do that scene. Here it is. My computer is slow, I think. Oh no. Here we go. Sorry about that. And the other one is, I think, this one. Yeah, here we go. Or is it this one? So we've got our two scenes. So we're kind of creating a trailer. We're going to put these at the... So it should be roughly 15 to 12 seconds long. And remember, it's all up to you. Even though we've created the scene, you can change the scene. You can make it violent. You can make it horror. You can make it a thriller. You can make it a comedy. You can do whatever you want with it. It's the power of editing, okay? So that's really cool. Now, so we've got our scene. I'm just going to mute this because it's going to be really loud on yours. So here we go. You can see what's happening. You can see I'm a much better actor than, of course, Mr. McAllister. And then we go into the next scene. So this is where we're going to edit it. We're going to actually turn, what we're shooting into bullets. So you need to grab the slow motion flying bullet, which is on NC2 Common Files. And let's get rid of all this nonsense. We don't need any of that. Now we're going to have to make this much faster. It's way too slow. It's slow motion. So right click on the video bar you want to edit, so that's the slow motion one, and go speed/duration, and we're going to change the speed to I think it was like 300. Let's see. Way too slow still. Alright, let's make it 900. Way too slow. See, it's all about experimenting. Make it 1500. 2000. Still too slow, even at 2000. Alright, let's go 2800. Make it really fast. Yeah, we'll make it a little bit faster, but add the effect Ultra key. We're going to get rid of that yucky green screen. Go normal, and then just go green. Boom. So just got to wait for it. Roughly here. So that's probably a bit too big. So just go up. And just change the scale, make it much smaller, change the position of it, So it should be, so just experiment with it. So probably roughly here. Yep, that's right. And then the next thing we're going to do is add a keyframe. So click toggle animation, that little stopwatch. Now we've got a keyframe, so that means it's going to stay there until roughly here, and then it's going to go flying like that. And I've missed him, so I need to change that. Well, what happened there? That didn't do anything then. Ah, it's so small. Let's make it a bit bigger. Whoa. Yeah, you can do that. You can make it a bit comical. Just experiment with it. And I'm going to add a couple more things. I'm going to add a blood burst. So I'm just going to use the razor tool, cut the rest of this, don't need it, and beautiful. Put a Ultra key here. You should know all about Ultra keys, we've done them quite a bit, and just get rid of that green screen. Now we need to put it, whoa, that looks really epic. Probably a bit too big. So let's change the scale. Make it smaller. Something like that. Alright. Yep, that's good. Let's just change this one here just a little bit. So we're going to bring it down as well to make it hit him. Now let's check that out. It's probably a bit too fast to really see anything. Just experiment with it, but you see how we're adding in all these different effects. Alright, awesome. Yep, so you can make it better than I can. I'm just doing it really quickly. And here, let's add some smoke as well. Come on. Be very patient. Add some smoke at the start of that shot. So put the Ultra key in the smoke one. Again, get rid of that green stuff. Whoa, what the hell just happened? Oh, there we go. So about here, we're going to add smoke to where the gun is, which is my hand. So just put this here. And just speed it up by about 900. There we go. So it's looking pretty sweet. So the more, you can add heaps of different green screens and give it a really cool effect. So there's just what I've been experimenting with. I'm sure you can do a much better video than I did in a few seconds. And one last thing I want to show you is we can add some really cool audio that I created using Music Maker, which we shall play with in the very near future. So hopefully it's not too loud. That's probably like, what, sir? That's really loud. Just give me 1 second. Desktop audio, microphone. / desktop audio / video capture. Okay, let's see if this is too loud. At least I win. So it's pretty cool what you can do with just a few seconds of editing. Awesome work, guys, and I can't wait to see what you can do. All right, good luck. Yep, go for it, and can't wait to see it. All right.